Bezrat Hashem, the Zohar this morning, Parashat Naso. Rabbi Yitzchak Patach, Rabbi Yitzchak is teaching us, Rabbi Yitzchak is a student of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. Bano baniti bet zevulach. He says, what's bet zevul? Shlomo Melech says, he built bet zevul. What's this bet zevul? He says, bet zevul is one of the heavens above the sky that we see. When you look at the sky, you see like the heavens, you see the sky, but this is the first level. On top of this level, there is 6 more levels that we call Reki'im, right? What are the names, right, of those levels? So the Gemara explains us, one place is called Vilon, one place is called Rakia, one place is called Shechakim, the other one Zevul, the other one Ma'on, the other one Machon, and the other one Aravot. And those 7 heavens, the Gemara says, their distance one from another, 500 years of walking. If somebody will be able to walk 500 years, this is the distance between one heavens to another one. So the 7 heavens. But Chachamim teach us the same way there's 7 levels on above, there's 7 levels on bottom, which means under our earth, there's 7 worlds, right? And those worlds, people, believe it or not, live in it. The Tosfot teaches us in Menachot that Shlomo HaMelech was able to meet one of those people living under earth. If the NASA would be smart, they wouldn't look up there. Up there, according to Kabbalah, according to Zohar, according to anybody that knows what's going up in the heavens, according to our Torah, there's no life. All the fossils they find, all the things, they're wasting milliards and billions of dollars that they could have fed the rest of the world to be no hunger in the world. Instead of that, they should look the other way around. Under earth. Under earth, there is 7 levels and people live there, right? And the same thing Hashem created up, He created down. But coming back to the Zohar this morning, the same way Rabbi Yitzchak is saying, Bet Zevulach, one of the heavens, one of the skies above us is called Zevul. The same way we say when there is a wedding, what do we say? Nevarech shasimcha bim'ono. Bim'ono, at the place called Ma'on. Every time there's a wedding, there's a big simcha in this level called Ma'on. The man came from a level called Shchakim. Over there, they grind the man for angels, and from over there came the man to earth. So basically, above us, there's many worlds, right? 7 worlds, let's say. And each world has its own galaxies. So basically, we cannot see that. But that does not mean it doesn't exist. Let me give you an example you should understand. When we speak about Gan Eden, the Garden of Eve, right? When we speak about Gan Eden, where is Gan Eden? No one knows today. How come? So we don't know. Maybe it's up there. When we say a person is going to go to Gan Eden, is it down here? No. He's going to go to Gan Eden up there. But one second. Where did Adam and Eve live? Right? Where did Adam and Eve live? They lived in Gan Eden. So where is Gan Eden? Up there? No. Adam and Eve were physical. They lived in this world. But one second. Let's read in the Torah what the Torah says. Adam and Eve were exposed from Gan Eden after the sin. Hashem, it says in Bereshit, blocked the entrance to Gan Eden, and no mankind can come into there. So one second, Gan Eden is down here. So what are we saying? A person going to Gan Eden up there. There's 2 Gan Eden. There is the terrestrial Gan Eden and the celestial Gan Eden, which means an neshama who comes down to this world and lives in a body for 70 years, 80 years, maximum 120 years. Now she picks up all kinds of impurities, which we call material. In order to become spiritual again, she goes to Gan Eden Atachton, the lower part of Gan Eden, which is in this world. And the Rabbi Nishchai is saying, where? No one found it. Yes, because the Torah tells you, Hashem put angels over there, so no one should find it. Now what happens? The neshama goes there for 12 months, and after 12 months, once she got rid of all the impurities of this world, she's ready to go back, Tachat Kisei HaKavod, where she came from, to Gan Eden Ha'ilyon, to the top Gan Eden, which means celestial Gan Eden. So you see, Gan Eden where Adam and Eve lived is down here, and we don't see it. We don't find it. We don't know where it is. With all the tools we have, right? We have satellites, we have wherever you want. We cannot find it. The same way, with all the telescopes, with all the shuttles that go to the moon, they would never find the other 6 heavens, skies that are above this world, because those ones are spiritual and hidden by Hashem. The same thing. Maybe if they will look down, maybe they will find the lives over there. The Gemara says there was rabbis in Talmud 2,000 years ago. There was one rabbi, he got lost in the ocean, and he was by chance he got to see one of the worlds under our world. And where was it? It was in the middle of the ocean. So who knows where to dig? We don't know. But you should know, life above does not exist. For the Torah, according to the Torah, life exists under earth in 7 levels, 7 different earths, and they have a sun and they have a moon and they have a life like us. A little bit they're a stranger, right? Like the Gemara says, King Solomon, when he brought one of those people to him, he had 2 heads. The rabbi that got lost in the ocean, he said the people over there were miniature. So you see, there is life. So instead of looking up there, they should look down here, and maybe if they're lucky, they would find it. I wish you a great day. Baruch Adonai Leolam. Amen v'amen.